Hello guys and welcome to another episode. Today we are going to unbox and take a look to a model car that I never imagined that I would buy. You already know from the title what model car is this, but let's proceed with the unboxing and take a look at it. So now we remove the bubble wrap and we are going to take a look in the box. This is a standard Bburago 1 to 24 scale box. And as you can see, the model car is the Fiat 124 Spider. Very nice car. 1400 cc engine with 140 horsepower, if I remember correctly. And a very pricey car too. Not cheap, but looks very nice. It also comes in white color. If I remember correctly, I got the silver one. Both colors look nice, but this gonna have a makeover, so I wanted the silver color for that makeover. I will keep you posted what I'm gonna do with this, but anyway, let's unbox it and have a look. Sorry, there is no tape whatsoever. You can just open it. So we are opening it, and we take it out like this. It's a standard paper base, and now we are going to remove it from the base. It's a bit more. So now we have it out from the box. It is very lightweight model, and I can see why. But let's remove this here. So from the first look, there is dust on it. So maybe it was a display model. The dust is only in the front, but who knows. Another thing that I notice is that the wheels steer not easily, and the steering wheel doesn't move along with the wheels. Another thing that I noticed is that there is no brake discs or whatever. You can see here. The cast is good, very good spacing. We have opening doors, but that's it. Back doesn't open, front doesn't open, only the doors open. Underneath there's not that much to see. I can say that it's very detailed. It looks very realistic. Headlights, tail lights, LED lights, daytime running lights, and everything are very detailed. It feels a bit plasticky here in the front. So as for the looks go, it looks very realistic. As for functions, not much. You cannot open the hood, you cannot see the engine. There's no suspension system, there's no disc brakes. As you can see, steering wheel doesn't move along with the wheels. The wheels don't steer easily. The tires are nice though, they have a nice pattern on it, as you can see. And the interior also looks okay. We will take a closer look, of course. You can see that there is the screen on the dash, and it has a sticker. Nice details in the center console. Nice steering wheel. Nice door panels. So overall, it looks very nice, even though it doesn't have a lot of functionality. It looks good. Paint job is good. You can see that it has very tiny metals in the paint, so it looks realistic. So overall, I think that it's a very nice model car, and I think that it will look even better when I'm done with it. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.